would be.
Ruff, ruff.
Oh, dude, it's puppies. I think I should keep them. They're so cute. Come inside, guys. Okay, guys, this is my house, and this is your bed. I'm sorry if it's girly. Okay, guys, I promise. I'll make your bed look like a boy's bed, okay? Okay, first I'm gonna remove these girly stuffed animals. Okay, get you out of there, and get you out of there. And then, to cover up these girly sheets, I'm gonna put a pillow over top of it. And there we go. Now that I got them sleeping, I'm gonna go to sleep too. What do you guys want? Guys, you have to go to bed. Okay, I have them sleeping. So now I'm gonna go to bed too. The next morning. Hey, puppies, do you want to see my downstairs? Okay, puppies, wherever you do not eat the last Dorito, okay? Okay, I'm just gonna lay down on the couch. Let me go check on the puppies. Guys, who ate the last Dorito? Oh, they're gonna be in trouble for eating the last Dorito. Okay, guys, are you in here? I think someone's at my door.
Hello, are you selling free puppies?
Yeah, come inside and get them. Here are the free puppies.
Thank you.
It's a good thing I got rid of them.